Okay, everybody, good afternoon. Good afternoon. VTP Stage 2 online, Technical Tuesday coaching call number 180, all right, for the 3rd of February 2026. Hope you're all well. Hope you have enjoyed a good start to the week. All right, hope you are ready for what will probably be another interesting and eventful week in markets in 2026. As always, you're very welcome here, but just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you want a little bit more help and a bit more support, the last chance to join the Q1 $26 Edge FX swing trading mentorship is available. Okay, that'll be a chance to join us for the sort of next 8-9 weeks or so. Just going through a very simple, clear swing FX trading process. You can ping me or you can use the QR code. Aussie has been, top of the stand, okay, for a while now, and a lot of that is to do with the fact that when the US and the UK and Europe, all right, and New Zealand stuff have all been cutting interest rates, inflation in Australia has kind of kept peaking, and hence why they were expected to raise interest rates, and so hence why we've just seen this kind of move here, right? So Aussie strength, dollar weakness. Aussie strength, Canadian weakness, Aussie strength, even Swiss franc. Okay, Swiss franc, which has been second or third place, not been the prettiest. Okay, the last couple of weeks, but still that kind of trend, the way it's going, and invariably kind of euro. All right, euro weakening, Aussie strengthening, sterling. All right, sterling weakening, Aussie strengthening. Okay, that's what we're here for. All right, that's what we're here for. I spoke about this at the end of last year. That this is Aussie yen. This is VTP Stage 2 here. Okay, for pretty much most of last year, the monthly candle. All right, just working its way back up to this kind of like a strike box, strike zone. That kind of just working its way on the weekly chart, and the daily chart was a beauty. That is basically what you're looking at. You're looking at Aussie strength, yen weakness, okay, and that is just that's TFM tactic number one. All right, working its way there. Okay, that is nice pullbacks, breakouts, containing it, just higher highs, higher lows, riding the 20-period moving average. As I said, we don't get trends. You don't get trends as often as you like this, right? You only might get them 20% of the time. All right. So as I said earlier, the important thing is you don't fight it, all right? You don't fight it, and you look at to see how can I ride it? How can I attack these strong currency trends? All right. Remember, what I'd say on stage 2 is all about there will be 3 to 6 of these trends every year. Okay. The problem you have on the first day of the year is you don't know where they're going to come, you don't know when they'll come, and that's why you do your weekly analysis, just keeping on top of it, building the picture, making sure, understanding where's the strength, where's the weakness, and taking the trade opportunities that come your way. But then equally also when you get a good trend like that, you're looking to attack it. All right, you're looking to attack it as hard as you can, as hard as your risk tolerance allows, because that's the way you make big step changes in equity curves. But yeah, there's a beautiful chart there.